Hello and welcome back to ScorpioTech. In this video we are going to unbox and take a first look at the Dreamegg D1 white noise sound machine. The Dreamegg D1 is ideal for those who are having trouble getting to sleep, including adults and young children. It has a total of 24 sounds, which is made up of 7 variations of white noise, 7 variations of fan sounds, as well as 10 nature sounds which include ocean waves, birds, streams, rain, trains, a lullaby and a few more as well. Inside the box we have some generic paperwork, which includes a free 6-month extension to your warranty. As well as this, there's also a user manual, but thankfully the device is so simple that you likely will never need to read this anyway. After removing the manual, we can also see the Dreamegg D1 itself, which is available in both black and white. There are several variants of the Dreamegg on Amazon, so it's worth looking through to see which one suits you. This one in particular can currently be picked up for £26.99. Additionally, in the box we also have a standard USB power cable. The device also has timer options for 30, 60 or 90 minutes, as well as the options to continuously repeat the sound. You can also easily adjust the volume with the device buttons, which you'll see shortly, as well as the ability to turn on or off the warm glow ring. On this note, I think it would have been really nice to include various colour options instead of just the yellow glow. The device is not the most appealing one in the world, but it does the job just fine, with a nice build quality and finish. The sound quality that the Dreamegg D1 produces is also very decent, especially for the price range. Although being limited to just 24 sounds without the option to import extra sounds may be an issue for some people. As well as these features, the Dreamegg D1 also has built-in memory, which means it will replay the most recently used sound without you having to spend time searching for it. In addition to this, there is also a headphone jack on the back of the Dreamegg, which allows you to listen via your headphones without disturbing others. This is a very nice feature to include because not everyone wants to hear a train rattling past all night. In regards to the product setup, it's honestly as easy as it could possibly be. Simply plug in the USB power cable and you're good to go. Unfortunately, there is no wall socket power method, so if you don't have a USB port handy, you aren't going to be able to turn it on. For most people this won't be an issue, but it would have been nice to have been given the option. That's pretty much it regarding features, so let's put this device to the test. Instead of me trying to describe the various sounds, I will let the video run through with all of the sound options to give you an idea of the quality and what to expect. So if you haven't fallen asleep listening to those sounds, then hello, you've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, all of the links will be down in the description. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.